Welcome to How2Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing how to change an airbag on a semi-truck. This will apply for the majority of airbags. They're all a little bit different, but they're basically the same. This one is leaking out of the bottom, so it needs to be replaced. I like to remove the leveling valve so that gives me control of the airbag system. You don't want to drop the airbags. You can either do it this way or hit the button in the cab. Go ahead and jack up the frame of the truck. On this particular model, you can remove the whole bag and the bracket, but I find it easier to leave the bracket on the frame and just remove the bag. Go ahead and remove the top nut. Make sure you can push it up and down. On the inside, remove the airline hose. Remove the bottom nut holding the bag to the bracket. And now you should be able to squeeze the bag and push it out. Go ahead and reinstall the new airbag. It's going to be stiffer than the old one, so it might take a little bit more force to get it into place. Make sure both the bottom stud and the top stud are lined up before you tighten things down. Install a washer and a new locking nut. Reinstall your airline hose. And then the top nut. Lower the truck's frame back to the ground. And then using the leveling valve, raise up and lower the airbag to make sure there's no leaks. And then make sure to reattach the leveling valve arm. And with that, thank you for watching How2Mechanics, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.